going now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
हीरा को लगा था कि उसको विंडो सीट मिलेगी, उसको विंडो नहीं पूरा दरवाजा मिला। कुछ चाहिए होगा तो इधर से बुलाएंगे। टिंग टिंग। Where are we? We are in Italy, guys. We've already started the tour. What would you like to hear? So we have been walking for a long time and we can't seem to find the exit. It's literally a mall. So we just came out of the airport and we bought tickets for the bus and we will be leaving for Rome Center in just 30 minutes. Excited! Excited! Things like this. Liva, he's enjoying the burger more than you are. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just took out her sandwich from the packing. Why did you keep stuff on top of it?
Well, hello, तुम्हारी गलती है, तुमने रखा था। ये मेरी जैकेट है, तुम्हारी जैकेट बड़ी है इसमें।
मेरी एक जैकेट से ये हो गया।
देखो दब गया सारा, सैंडविच लग ही नहीं रहा। I was searching, I was like sandwich किधर है? Like I couldn't find my sandwich. I didn't know this was my sandwich. हम से किधर है sandwich? ये
My sandwich! My sandwich!
Our hotel, this one, and let's go. Okay, so this is the room. We booked 3 beds, 2 and then 1, and this is the window.
look at the mini fridge, and this is top.
This is the view from here. It's very cute. We also have a TV and then a mini fridge. We're going to hang all of our clothes here and put the jewelry, shoes, everything just set because we're here for 3 days.
Look up.
Oh, I didn't see this. ये मुझे पाकिस्तान की याद आ गई है with the all art work.
And we're gonna also see, we got this.
Oof!
The map.
3 दिन में कर लेंगे सारा हम.
कर लेंगे. We are here.
Okay.
Actually, we're here in this line in Melazzo, and we have to see Colosseum.
इतना दूर.
It's okay, we'll walk, Aisha.
सही है.
And this is Vatican City.
Oof! Oh, we are gonna go here. So one whole video for this one.
Vatican
और
City.
फिर I think so आज हम यहाँ जाएंगे या कहाँ जाएंगे?
पहले थोड़ा आराम करेंगे because we extremely tired.
और बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत like it's full, we're sweating. Okay, so we're just getting ready to go out. वो देखो लिवा को देखो. ये अभी तक उठी भी नहीं है. Liva, you were excited to go
It's
out.
like you. You should be standing and screaming. Come on, get up, Liva. We're gonna leave and then don't follow us from behind then.
Hello, good morning.
It's like I could hear Liva in my dream.
You had dreams also? Liva, okay, good night. We need to go out.
2,000 years later.
So just getting ready to leave, and they're taking forever. Come on. Okay, so we are ready and we are ready to go. We are ready to. So we are ready to go out and explore. Our plan is to go to the fountain. Fountain भी है. ये हमारा tour guide है, मैं बताइए.
We have everything here.
वो हमारा होटल था, हम निकल के आए हैं और हिरा शुरू हो गई अपना मैप देखने वाइकिंग्स की तरह. So we already found a souvenir shop.
We can buy whenever.
Yeah, it's just next to our place.
It's here.
We want a one. Oh yeah, we need a fan also.
And we have this.
We want a one which shows the colosseum because that's the main thing.
This is much
ये भी प्यारा है ये वाला.
ये वाला
हाँ.
has on 3. हाँ, true. Oh, please don't
चलो हम
fall.
बाद में देख लेंगे this one. We are halfway through according to Hira's map, and we
3/4. No,
Oh.
sorry,
one fourth.
one third.
1/3. अच्छा. And we are walking all the way क्योंकि the weather is nice. It's windy, and we want to see the streets. Oh, there's not another one.
Once and always.
But this is in the middle of the center, so there's like tourist traps and extra money. So we're gonna find someone which is more in the middle town. What is this, Hira? Piazza della Repubblica. I hope I can pronounce it. This is it. It has 3 different buildings. Can we go? Or no? Okay, we are going in. Like I have seen other churches in many different places, but this is one of the biggest churches I think I've seen till now. Yeah. There are many other churches over here, but this is the first church we saw.
And it's very beautiful. And we have to go to Vatican City, so they're like bigger than these. Yeah, the air is very cold here. And coming back, we have this. Liva came in and told us that it's 1896, not
1896, almost 200, 100 years old, 150 years old.
Now we're going to go out and see more places.
Yeah.
बताओ.
You know, French fries originated in Belgium, and we're going there day after.
Yeah, I knew that, but then it didn't hit me that we are going to go there. And Hira को French fries से मोहब्बत है.
मोहब्बत नहीं, मैं French fry ही हूँ.
इतनी हाँ हाँ तो yeah, so now he is very excited to go to Belgium.
I've noticed every single building has windows like this.
Two windows,
Like,
one to cover
हाँ,
and one to put the
वो भी,
shade.
even in our hotel it's the same thing. The city is so busy. It's very crowded. There are so many people. We need to go there. Oh, hello, camera to camera. Liva, see, I wanna go there. The chota chota place.
Now you have to go straight. Keep going.
Okay, keep. Oh, not really. Now we have to keep going straight. Did हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं, by the way?
We are going to Trevi Fountain. दिखाते इधर आओ देखो. किधर गया? अरे अरे अरे.
This place is nice. It's not sunny anymore and it's very windy.
So windy, I love it. You can see my hair. Only.
Every place is so aesthetic.
Oh no, we don't have coin to throw in the fountain. We throw a coin and then you stand behind and you throw like this.
कुछ और फेंक देते हैं अंदर.
अरे come, it's green.
What is that? वो क्या है?
क्या हुआ? प्याज और बाजरी.
Oh, thank you. That tells me a lot of things.
I thought maybe it'd be nice to come here. You can see the whole town from here. I mean, the whole city from here. A bit of, yeah. Look. That's Vatican, Liva. Liva, that's Vatican. That.
The dome?
Yeah, the dome. The dome.
Oh, we are going there tomorrow.
Yeah. Look how small the गलियाँ यहाँ पे भी हैं रोम में. देखो फिर.
It's very hot. हीरा बताओ कितनी गर्मी है?
फिर इतनी गर्मी है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं दुबई पहुँच गई हूँ और पता नहीं क्या हो गया. मतलब
Yeah, and we need ice cream or gelato or something right now.
बहुत गर्मी है. मतलब I can't deal with this.
We found these shops. Souvenirs.
Charms.
Oh, Lucky Charms.
If it has like something Rome related, then nice. But it's just like general.
So there was a small shops and we were looking at the shops and we just realized we are so close to Trevi. And it's very crowded.
Oh no, I don't have. I have it in a different bag. The coins.
Let me see.
We're looking for coins to make a wish.
I have 3 coins. I have 3 coins.
Give me also.
I'm checking.
Take this.
Is this Zuloti?
Yeah.
Yeah, take. Hey, 2. Yeah. We all have 2. Done.
Yay!
Come.
This is very.
Look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone?
Come, go down.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. From there, leave it from there.
Careful, it's slippery.
Okay, gonna throw coins now. Okay, throw. Don't look back, Aisha!
Okay, so it's a coin. I'm gonna do a wish now.
So we are here and we took so many pictures. So many pictures. You will follow us on Instagram if you want to see them. Yeah. Next plan kya hai? You want
I really want pizza.
pizza. I'm
I mean, we're in the place where pizza was invented. So
We're just looking for something to eat in the old town. This place is so busy, it's so crowded. Going through all of them. This level look the best one. All of it, I think. This is fair. We took
how it
pictures
is.
here, yeah? This is, yeah. We were here. And we're gonna go here tomorrow.
We got like a cover or something. The one, yeah, this one. It's originating from here only.
The wolf painting?
Do you know the wolf that took care of the two boys?
Yes.
The story?
Yeah, I know.
I feel like I've heard of it.
Yeah, oh, look, there are boys down.
Yeah,
They're
this one
feeding
only.
it.
I don't know if it's here.
Hira is going to buy both of them. है ना अच्छी है ना? It's nice if we have like a Rome written. And look at that one, that broke. So we found this place. It looks very authentic and nice. And we're choosing what to take. Inside because there was no air circulation, and we're waiting for our pizza. Pizza.
You
Yeah.
ordered pizza?
Pasta.
Oh, pasta.
Yeah. I will live in anything, so it's okay.
How was it? Nice?
I feel like we will like it. The both
Yeah?
of us, yeah.
So guys, we're done eating and now we're looking for some ice cream that we can eat and then we will go back home because it's 8 o'clock already.
We either want ice cream or pastries.
Yeah, something sweet. We found slushy. Oh, come. They both took the mix. What is that?
Raspberry, no. Black
cherry
and lime.
Yeah, but the lemon is too lemony.
Is it nice?
I like it. So our today's sweet tooth is satisfied, so we're just going home. And tomorrow we're gonna go somewhere else. So keep following our Rome series and stay with us. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye.